Good afternoon, everyone. How are you all?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I'm doing good. Thank you very much.
How are you?
Yes. My dear students, in the previous class, we have completed understanding the first two paragraphs of the new lesson. That is lesson number 13, Tanya visits Tanali. I had instructed all of you to go through the first two paragraphs. Who all have done the same? Please raise your hands.
Ma'am, I read
Yes.
it 5 times.
Okay, good. That's good. So did you find anything difficult to understand or any particular word difficult to read? Sure?
Yes.
Are you clear with the meanings of the new words that you have learned in that part?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So let us continue with the topic. Ready? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Agnes Wilson, unmute. Yeah.
Tanya, so I like last time, this time too. Shivani asked Tanya. No, this time we went on a holiday to a very beautiful place called Tanali.
Tanali.
Shivani was surprised. Tanya,
No. Tan what?
Ma'am, I joined late. Can you share the page number? Yes,
Yeah. We are on page number 34.
Shivani, thank you, ma'am. I will be late for my bus. Will
I apostrophe LL is to be read as I will or I'll tell you everything.
I will tell you everything tomorrow. Bye.
Aye. Okay, good, Agnes. You're trying to read quite well. So as we know, we were discussing about the two girls discussing with each other, talking to each other, sharing their experiences. Shivani was sharing her experiences about visiting a new place, that is Kulu Manali, during the Dashera holidays. But her classmate and friend Tanya was listening only to some part of it, right? Because after some time she did not feel much interested to do that. What was the reason? Who can tell me? Why did Shivani lose interest in listening to? Why did Tanya lose interest in listening to Shivani's experience? Yes, Niharika, unmute.
Because Tanya also
Never start any answer with the word because.
Tanya wants to go.
Tanya also wanted to go
For a holiday.
But
it was possible.
It was possible or impossible?
It was impossible because her parents work hard in a factory.
Okay. And they did not get even a
single holiday.
Yes, very good. So that is the reason Tanya felt very sad and disappointed. And so she was not interested in listening to Shivani's stories, right? Tales. Okay, well said, Niharika. You have given me the explanation very well. Good. Keep it up. Okay. After that, when Shivani understands that Tanya is not much interested in listening to her stories, she asked her, so Tanya, is it that this time too Shivani did not complete her statement? But Tanya understood what Shivani was trying to speak about and she replied, no, this time we went on a holiday to a very beautiful place called Tanali. What was the name of the beautiful place that she said about, that Tanya spoke about? The beautiful place's name was Tanali. Shivani was surprised. She knew that Tanya's parents did not have much money or time to take her for holidays. So when Tanya spoke about going to or visiting a new place, Shivani could not believe it. And she was surprised and she asked, Tan, as if she did not understand the name of the place that Tanya was talking about. And she asked, What? What are you talking about? Just then, at that particular time, just then, the bell rang. The bell rang, and Tanya said, Shivani, I will be late for my bus. I will tell you everything tomorrow. Bye. Now, who can tell me at which place were both these girls sitting and talking? At which place? Did you notice the sentence? The bell rang. The bell rang. That means which place were the two girls sitting? Zishan, unmute. Tell me. At which place were the two girls sitting?
Uh,
The bell rang.
the bell rang.
That means at which place were the two girls sitting and talking?
Ma'am, I cannot hear full. I join now.
It's okay, fine. We have done in the last session itself. Remember when Tanya and Shivani were discussing with each other, suddenly the bell rang and Tanya said, Shivani, I will tell you the remaining part tomorrow. And she ran. I will be late for my bus, she said. So tell me, at which place were the two girls sitting? Where the bell rang. Where does the bell ring? That's a very simple question, but you need to be very attentive to be able to give that answer. Zishan, think. Come on, I cannot give you a lot of time. The other children are raising their hand and waiting to give the answer. Very good, all of you. I know you will give me the correct answer, so good. No, Zishan is not able to guess. Arfin, unmute. Try to give me the answer. Where were Tanya and Shivani sitting? Arfin, unmute.
Ma'am,
Uh,
in the school.
in their classroom at school. Yes, you're absolutely right. In their classroom or at school. Zishan, are you able to understand now? Yes? Okay, good. Okay. Anunaya, unmute your device and continue reading from So. Unmute, Anunaya. Unmute. Unmute. Yeah, read.
Yes, ma'am.
So.
So where is Tanali? Rohan, Tanya's elder brother, asked her. There is no Tanali. It is just my imagination. In our minds, we can create anything we like, right? And
Right.
so,
You must read the word right as if really you're asking a question. Right? Like that.
right.
Answer.
Tanya, come and sit her with me.
Her, H-E-R-E.
Here with me, said Rohan.
Read this word again.
Said.
Not say. Said.
Said.
Said. Yes.
Said Rohan. He had taken out an old red rug
Mm.
from the storeroom.
Mm.
This is our magic carpet.
Mm.
On this magic carpet, we can fly to the land of our dreams, Tanali.
Okay, good, Anunaya. You are trying to read well now. Thank you. Thank you, my dear. So after reaching home, we are introduced to a new person now in this story. Who's the name? Who's the new person? His name is Rohan. Rohan is Tanya's elder brother. Elder means bigger than her, elder than her. Okay, elder in age. Okay. Rohan asked Tanya, so where exactly is this place called Tanali? Rohan, Tanya's elder brother, asked her. Tanya replied, there is no Tanali. There is no place, actually, there is no place called Tanali or named Tanali. It is just my imagination. It is just my imagination. My dear students, you must have heard this word imagination many times, right? Imagination. Please imagine about this, that. You must have heard this, right? Many times. Can you explain the term to me? What is imagination? What is the meaning of the word imagination? Yes, Nora, unmute.
Imagination means that we imagine in our mind.
What is imagine?
Think in our mind.
We think in our mind, okay? About what do we think?
We think about any place or any games like that.
Okay. That means you want to say that we can imagine about anything in our minds, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So relating to that part, I want to know, what do you imagine in your minds? What all do you imagine about in your minds? Hmm. I want you to share your imaginations here with your friends and me. Who's ready? What? You can do anything in your imagination, right? Yes, we are allowed to do anything in our imagination. Who's ready to share? Yes, Rida, unmute.
Yes,
Come
ma'am.
on. Yes, speak.
My imagination is to go to the go to the space.
Go to the space. Very good. That's good. That is something which is possible. If you put in a little more effort, you will definitely be able to do that. Right, Rida? But you need to put a lot of efforts. Yeah, what exactly do you want to go there and do? Have you ever thought
I
about
want
it?
to go space and walk on the moon.
Oh, good. Very good. That's a good idea. Thank you for sharing, my dear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. That's okay. Okay. Anybody else wants to share their imagination? Yes, Pranav. Unmute. Unmute. Yeah.
Ma'am,
Come on.
I want to be a magician.
You want to be a magician.
Then
What do you want to do after becoming a magician? Hmm. Come on. Yes. Why do you want to become a magician? Come on, speak. What happened?
I don't know.
You don't know. Do you want to help other people? Poor people? Weak people?
Yes.
You want to do that?
Yes.
Yes. Anything else that you plan to do?
I
No?
have to fly. Fly.
You have to, you want to fly.
Yes.
Okay, fine, fine. That's good. Okay, that is something that you need to imagine about. But you can actually sit on a plane and fly. In a plane and fly. Have you done it? Yes or no, Pranav? Yes. Okay, good. Now, who else? Yes, Dia. Unmute.
Ma'am, I want to become a hairstyle.
A
I want to become a hairstyler.
hair stylist.
Yes.
Hair stylist. Okay. Now that is something different. May I know, is there any particular reason that you wish to do that?
Like cutting,
Hmm.
making new hairstyles.
You like? You like doing that?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay, good. That's something good.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, welcome. Yeah, who wants to speak now about their imagination? Many are. Pranav is trying to fly sitting there. Yes, Pranav, I saw that. Aryan, okay, come on. Unmute, my dear. Yeah, yeah.
have to go to skydiving.
I have to. You want to go skydiving?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, that's a
Yes.
thrilling experience. Aren't you scared?
No, ma'am.
No, that's good. Brave boy. Okay. Have you ever experienced it before? No, right? You want to do it. Okay, fine, fine. Is there any particular reason that you want to do it? No, just for enjoyment and for getting a new experience? Yes. Oh, okay, my dear. Good. Thank you for sharing. So good. Many of you have tried to share your imagination here. Good. Let me see some other children. Yes, Rishit, unmute. Unmute, Rishit. Unmute. Touch it only one time.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, now speak.
Ma'am, I want to become a IPS officer.
An IPS officer. Oh, that's good. Very good. Why do you want to do so? Any
I need to
specific
protect the
reason?
people.
Sorry?
I need to protect the people.
You need to protect the people. Oh, that's a noble idea. Good. Thank you, my dear. Well done. Yeah. Who else wants to share? Aaron Dias. Unmute. Unmute.
Ma'am, to be a scientist.
To be a scientist. Okay. Is there any particular reason behind this plan of yours?
Just for fun.
Sorry?
Just for fun.
Just for fun. No, my dear. There must be a good reason. Okay. You want to see the work done by scientists. You want to learn about it. Is that so? Or you want to create something of your own?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, good, Aiden. Thank you. So, my dear students, you all have understood what is imagination, right? Okay, Ishan also I will give a chance. Ishan, then we have to continue with our lesson, right? Yes, Ishan.
Ma'am,
Yes.
I want to go
Ah,
to Paris.
to Paris. Why? Is there any specific reason?
Yes,
What? What is it? May I know?
I want to take a photo of Eiffel Tower.
Eiffel Tower. Okay, I thought so. That must be the reason. Don't you want to go to and visit other places there? There are so many beautiful places there. Okay, okay, good, good. Thank you for sharing.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome, my dear. Okay. So, did you enjoy the imagination of your friends? You all have got some idea about what is imagination, right? Yes. Okay, Zishan is raising his hand. What is it, my dear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
I want to see a volcano.
You want to see a volcano?
Yes.
My God.
And I
Why?
want to be a football player.
Both.
Yes, I want
Okay.
to see that. Two
You want to
things.
see?
I want to see a volcano. I want
And?
to be a football player.
Okay, good. So you can join the association at our school. Did you see that message?
No.
Ask your parents to show you. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, my dear. That is something which is quite possible. Okay, good. Abel Rinson wants to say something. Okay, Abel, come on, unmute. Yeah, speak.
I can go to the beach and I play. No.
Going to the beach. You don't need to imagine about that, my dear. You can just go to any beach and play. Right? Okay. So request your parents to take you to a beach this vacation itself, Christmas vacation. Okay, my dear. Anyway, thank you for sharing. That's a very sweet imagination, a very simple imagination. Okay. Yes, Emmanuel wants to share something. Okay, Emmanuel, unmute.
I want to
Hmm.
football player and police.
And a police officer. Okay,
Football
okay.
player and football player.
And football player also. Okay, fine. So you can also take part in that association. Be a part of that football. Okay.
I kick the ball.
Okay, good, good. And after becoming a police officer, what is your plan to do? Why do you want to become a police officer? You said that also, right, Emmanuel? Unmute. Why do you want to become a police officer?
I want to catch the
Thieves.
thieves.
Thieves, right? Okay, fine, fine.
I want to I have IPS.
IPS. Okay, okay, good, good. You have to work a lot for that. Okay, Parvan, unmute.
I want to go in roller coaster.
In a roller coaster.
Yes.
For that, you can just visit a fair, right? There are so many places where roller coasters are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so try to do it this vacation.
Okay,
Request
ma'am.
your parents to take you there.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, yeah, thank you. So let us go back to the lesson now. Thank you very much, everyone. The others I'll give a chance later, my dear ones. Please do not mind. Thank you once again, all of you, for sharing. So all of you have got the meaning of the word imagination, right? Imagination means something that we make it happen in our thoughts. Something that we desire to do, but if it is not possible for us to get it done at a particular moment, then we think about it in our thoughts and make it possible to happen there, right? And later on, if we really want to do, if there is something that we can really work on, actually work on, then we need to work hard towards achieving that dream of ours. Okay, so hard work is the main thing behind everything. But if you want to become Spider-Man and Superman, then it has to be in your imagination only. But if you wish to do something that can actually happen, then you need to work towards achieving it. Keep that in mind. Okay, hard work is needed to achieve everything that is possible. All right. So, Tanya replied to her brother and said, "There is no Tanali. It is just my imagination. It is only in my thoughts. In our minds or in our thoughts, we can create anything we like. Right? Answered Tanya. At that time, Rohan listened to her and said, "Come and sit here with me." What did Rohan say? Come and sit here with me. Where did Rohan want Tanya to sit? Rohan had actually taken out an old red rug from the storeroom. An old red colored rug. I want all of you to look here at this image which I have circled. This is a rug. And my dear students, let me explain to you that a rug means a small carpet. A small carpet. See, most of us use carpets. We put them or place them on the floor or of our homes, right? Carpet. Do you know what a carpet is? We place them in the floor of our homes, right? Some rooms, maybe the hall or the living room, carpet. A small carpet is called a rug. Rug. So what did Rohan, Tanya's elder brother, do? He took out an old red rug from the storeroom. A storeroom is one of the rooms in our houses, and a storeroom is used to keep all the things which are not used often, which are not used a lot of times. Okay, so such things which are not used too many times or too much are kept carefully neatly in the storeroom. So this is the name of one of the rooms in our houses. Okay, storeroom. On this, after doing all that, Rohan told Tanya that on this magic carpet he said that this is our magic carpet. What was special about the red rug? Rohan told Tanya that this is our magic carpet. And on this magic carpet, we can fly to the land of our dreams, Tanali. What did Rohan say? Rohan said that the old red rug was a magic carpet. And on this magic carpet, Rohan said that we will be able to fly to the land of our dreams. That is Tanali. Okay. Arfin, unmute and continue reading.
Ma'am,
Uh,
Tanya,
Tanya's face
Tanya's face
suddenly
suddenly
BRIGHT, bright, ENNED, brightened.
brightened. He jumped on to the carpet and sat down next to her brother. Okay. Close your
EYES. EYES.
Eyes.
Yes.
He said, magic.
He said, now read this together. Magic carpet. He is calling it the old rug as the magic carpet, right?
Magic carpet. Take used to
No, US, us.
Us to Tanali said,
Rohan.
Loudly.
Said Rohan loudly.
Rohan children loudly.
Hmm.
What do you see in Tanali? Prince,
Princess. Princess.
Princess Tania.
Hmm.
I see jungles,
Hmm.
uh,
Lions.
lions, and
Snakes.
snakes. Look,
Hmm.
see,
After snakes, there is a full stop. What does the full stop tell us to do, Arfin?
stop.
Yes. So why didn't you stop then? You must stop, right?
Snake.
Okay.
Look, see,
Look. No, no, no. Look. After that, there is an exclamatory mark, right? So you need to pause there. Look. I
Look.
see mountains up there.
look. I see mountains up there.
Very good.
I see a
A.
desert, a desert below,
Below, yes.
and I see
Hmm. The sea.
the sea
I
next,
see the sea.
the sea
Hmm.
next to the
Hmm.
desert.
Hmm. I see the sea next to the
Desert.
desert. Okay. Okay, good. That's enough. You're trying to read well, Arfin. Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay. When Tanya's elder brother Rohan took out the old rug from the carpet and requested Tanya to come and sit on the carpet, then he told her that this old rug is a magic carpet which can take us flying to the land of our dreams, named Tanali. Did you understand till there? Yes, the remaining part of the story we will continue with later, because now if we start, we may not be able to understand the complete part. Okay? So I want all of you to read from the beginning of the lesson, that is, I visited Kulu Manali, till Tanali. We can fly to the land of our dreams, Tanali. Till there, I want all of you to read again 5 times. How many? 5 times. Okay, each word must be read loudly and clearly. If you have any doubts, you may please underline those specific words and ask me in the next session. Okay, today all of you were very participative. Good. I'm happy that you have shared your imagination with your friends and me here. Good. May God bless you all. Thank you very much. Thank you. We'll meet in the next class. Bye. Bye bye.